Open the door of the future with innovation and technology. Epic Systems opens up a new paradigm in the digital door lock market. Based on Korea's superior technology, we at Epic Systems are exploring Epic branded digital door locks to over 80 countries around the world. For the purpose of providing high-quality, user-oriented features and products, we at Epic Systems promise a more better, brighter future. With state-of-the-art technology, we will introduce Epic Systems' premier product lines. The premium digital door lock EF8000L can be opened in 5-way method by using fingerprint, PIN number, smart card, emergency key, or remote control. Epic Touch can be opened in 2-way method by using a PIN number or smart card. ES809L can be opened in 4-way method by using a PIN number, smart card, emergency key, or remote control. N-Touch is an economical digital door lock that can only be opened by using a PIN number. PopScan allows you to open the door in 2-way method by using either a fingerprint or PIN number. With Epic Glass, you can open glass doors by using a PIN number or smart card. Epic Systems provides only the best quality products with high orientation in convenience and security. With our pride in pursuing only the very best, with global mindset in following the international standards, we aim to become a top company that is recognized in the global market for its high quality and reasonable prices. Our growth is based on change and innovation. Epic Systems always puts customers first and develop technologies to improve customers' quality of life. We are striving day and night to continue growing and to become an international company with diversified technologies. Epic believes in people, nature, and hope. A company that moves your mind. Epic Systems.